loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to peel garlic easily. Here I have 2 bulbs of garlic and we are going to peel it within few minutes. Here we go. Pick one like so, just smash. Everything comes off like this, and I'm just going to separate all this dry skin. Second one. Let me just move them aside like this. So I just grab one at a time and then just push it down. You don't need to exert too much pressure and the skin comes off easily. See that? You see that? It's coming off so easily. Then the tiny ones, just take them like this. Arrange them straight. Take a knife on them and press down together. Tiny, very tiny one. And last one. There you have it. Easily peel your garlic.